repository has code. Very few repositories preserve knowledge. When a developer leaves or a new one joins, that knowledge doesn't come with the code. It has to be rebuilt from scratch every time. This is Mytrix. It reconstructs a project's memory directly from its code and guides a new developer through it. Paste any GitHub public repo. Mytrix clones it, parses its real structure, languages, dependencies, entry points, config, and builds a knowledge graph. No AI in this step. Pure deterministic analysis, so everything downstream is grounded in fact. This is where it gets interesting. GPT-5.6 reads that parse data and writes a real overview. Purpose, architecture, strengths, something real from the repo. A file, a dependency, a framework. If the model can't point a real evidence, it's instructed to leave the claim out rather than guess. This one isn't a generic filler. It's naming the exact file and the exact gap. Knowledge graph. The knowledge parsed graph powers an interactive graph. The repo's real languages, frameworks, and dependencies laid out, so a new developer can see the shape of the project in seconds, not hours. AI mentor. The mentor answers questions about the specific repository, grounded in the same past context, nothing invented. And when the context genuinely doesn't support a full answer, it says so, instead of confidently making something up that honestly is the whole point. We built this with Codex end-to-end. The repository parser, the backend routes and the controllers and most of the frontend were built and debugged iteratively with Codex throughout the week. The analysis and mentor features run on real GPT 5.6 through the OpenAI response API. Mytrix isn't trying to replace reading code. It's trying to replace the 2 weeks of Slack messages and tribal knowledge it usually takes to get there. And because the parsing layer is already decoupled from the UI, the next step is packaging this as a Codex plugin. So this kind of grounded project briefing lives inside